Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Aries friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So these are your cards, Aries. Let us look at your oracle cards first. The Crone. Okay, this is a very wise card. After a lot of experiences, after seeing a lot of life, the kind of wisdom that we gain is what is represented by the Crone card. So I see that this month, June 2023, will surely be a month where you will feel that wisdom, where you will feel your psychic abilities, your intuitions at work, where you will sense that you feel mature. You look at things, your perspective towards whatever's happening around you is a very mature perspective. Things will not ruffle you that easily. You will stay calm and poised in the midst of anything that life throws up in this month for you, Aries. Let us look at your next oracle card. Snake Spirit, time to heal. So as the card suggests, this is a time to heal. Just as the snake sheds its skin, sheds its old skin so that it can bring out the new skin, because the old skin is now tethered and kind of not up to the mark. So the new skin is soft and healthy. Similarly, for those of you who have had any kind of, you may be feeling any kind of discomfort. It may have been a physical discomfort or an emotional wound or mental discomfort. psychological, any kind of discomfort that you have been feeling. In the month of June 2023, you will feel that now is the time where that discomfort is going away, it is receding, and you are shedding all the negativity. You will be embracing positivity in this month. This is the time when you will feel you are healing at an emotional level, at a mental level, at a physical level. Whatever it is, the kind of healing that you need will come your way. So this is also a time, when you can actually actively seek out ways to heal yourself. For example, you may seek out affirmations, positive people, positive vibrations around you, meditations, any kind of physiotherapy, any kind of uh, uh, going to a therapist. So all these things will really work wonders for you in this month. Your next card, wow, again. So we have the snake spirit here, and then again we have the prairie king snake for you Arians. And here this time it says shed directly. Okay, so it is a time for you to shed a lot of baggage that you may have been carrying for a long time. Okay, this is if you read this, it says, how can I know myself as bigger than any fear? Any fears, any negativity, any wounds from the past, any baggage that you are carrying, now is the time to shed it and let it go, and life and the universe will support you to do it. I am sure you will feel like a renewed person by the end of this month. 2 cards, in fact all 3 cards depicting all your 3 oracle cards are somehow hinting towards you moving towards a very positive and a healthy state of being at all levels, emotional, mental, physical. You will feel renewed and rejuvenated in this month. Now let us move towards your tarot cards and let us see what is coming up in the month. 3 of Wands. So I see growth here. I see a scope for planning your next moves, your upcoming time. This is a time when you will plan and think how you can proceed, how you can progress, how life can be better. So a lot of time, a lot of planning in this time. Also the Wheel of Fortune. So again, if things had been feeling stuck for the past some time, you will sense movement in your life. You will sense things are now set into motion. Luck is favoring you. Your karma, your past actions, your past efforts that you have put in, which may not have borne fruit in the past, now you will see that all the past effort is bearing fruit for you. Your next card is the 10 of Cups. That's a very beautiful card because this tells us that you can expect all the social support, all the people support that you want. And you will find fulfillment in your relationships, family time, good time for relationships, good time for, feeling fulfilled in life in general. Next card for you is the Existence card. So for your, how you're going to be feeling largely this month, I see you feeling connected internally. Even the Crone card talks about feeling the psychic connection, feeling the intuitive bond or feeling connected to the world or the existence at large. So this is definitely a month where you're feeling whole and healthy in many levels. Politics, okay? So this is one card where I would say there may be times when you may feel that you need to show a different face to the world in contrast, which is in a complete contrast to the way you are feeling internally. I really wouldn't be surprised if some of you may actually try to kind of hide sometimes. Okay, there may be points where, not all the time because otherwise the cards are positive, but there may be times when you may hide your true feelings from yourself, where you may tell yourself that you are feeling one way, whereas in reality you may be feeling another way. So this may cause some discomfort, that's possible, and the creator. So a lot of time for a lot of energies, a lot of cards showing a lot of connectivity, feeling connected to the universe, to the creator, connecting, if you're into meditations and affirmations, you will feel connected to yourself and to the universe. Fantastic month for that. Fantastic month for healing and for feeling connected to people and to yourself. Now, the next card for you, I'm going to pull out for how your finances are going to be in the month of June. So, the Seven of Pentacles. Now, for those of you who have made investments and are planning to, are waiting to see results, then this is a time of waiting. You will be able to see growth in your investments, but it may not be, happening overnight, and this is not a good time to pull out whatever finances you've invested. This is a time to wait. Your finances will grow and they will reap better results in the future. Now is the time to just hang on. In case you want to make investments, this is a fantastic time to invest into something so that your money grows and magnifies. Okay, so also if you're waiting for any kind of financial help, then it'll be a while before you get the help. It is not denied, but then it's going to take longer than you kind of think it would. Now, next card, let us look at what your career holds for you. So you've pulled up the Nine of Cups for career. Again, a fantastic card. This is also the card of wish fulfillment. So anything that you want, anything that you have been hoping for, promotions, raises, result of past work, past effort, everything is coming your way. You will also feel happy about your workplace, whether it's your business or your career or your job. You will feel fulfilled. It will be a happy time for you. And your last card is for your relationships. You've pulled up the Seven of Cups. I see confusions here. There may be a sense of clarity lacking. You may feel that it is not clear. Relationships and how relationships come across, definitely you may feel, I want them to be clearer. It's hazy, it's fuzzy, I don't understand, things are not what they seem to be, and should I take the option, should I do this, should I proceed with this relationship or not? So a lot of a time for fuzziness and haziness and doubts and lack of clarity. So I would suggest that this is not a good time to take any decisions regarding relationships. This is the time to wait it out. So Aries, I see a very beautiful spread of cards here. And I wish you all the very best. Do take good care of yourselves. I'll meet you in another reading. Bye-bye.